Hey guys, today I have a what's in my bag video. I haven't done one of these videos in a really long time, but recently I just added a new bag into my collection, so I decided to do a what's in my bag because when I uploaded it on Instagram, so many people are asking for like a unboxing video, but I went ahead and already unboxed it because I was so excited when I got home. So I'll just show you guys what I carry in my new bag. So here it is. This is my new bag that I recently got. It was an early Christmas gift for myself. This is the Chanel boy bag in medium size with the ruthenium hardware, and it's the old medium size. The new medium size came out I think a few years ago, so it was so hard to find the old medium size, but I got a call and there was finally one in stock, so I ran over to the store and got it right away. For those that don't like this type of video, please exit this video now and maybe you'll like my other upcoming videos. But this is for those that have been like curious about this bag. Maybe I'll do like a short review at the end, because when I decided to purchase this bag, I watched a lot of YouTube reviews on this bag, a lot of like blog posts. So this bag actually holds a lot of stuff. I think it's pretty much the same size as my Chanel Classic medium flap. If you guys also want a review on the medium flap, let me know down in the comment box below. I got my medium flap like 6-7 years ago, and it's when the prices were almost half the price. Like Chanel bag prices are going up like every year, so yeah, I got this bag this month because I heard the prices are gonna go up again. For those that have not heard the news, Chanel did get rid of their card, their authenticity card that comes with the bag. So they got rid of that, and they also got rid of the small holographic tag that's in the bag to show if it's real or not. And now they have a metal microchip inside the bag. So you can't really see it, but it's on this side, like right behind here. It's a small gold metal plate, and when you go to the Chanel store, they could scan that microchip, and I heard like they could get information about the bag, like who and where it was purchased. So I don't like to carry a lot of stuff in my bag. I do have only a couple of stuff, but I guess I'll show you guys what I do carry with me. Also, boy Chanel bags, you have to be careful not to like open it up wide because it could cause like a crease on the leather here. So I'm really careful when opening my purses, and I just like open it maybe up until here. So inside my bag, I do have my little wallet from YSL. I got this for my birthday, I think, in Korea. It's like the perfect size. I do have a Chanel long wallet, but it's so big, and yeah, I might sell that one. But I do like to carry the small card wallet. I do have my iPhone. I love this photo of us that we took at Korea in our uniforms. I also have a sun stick. This is from Kahi. This is so cool. Like this brand Kahi is so popular in Korea right now. They're known for their multi-stick for wrinkles, but they also have like other lines like eye cream, sun sticks. So I will have a review on just their products, I think maybe before this video or maybe after this video. I have chapstick in here. This black original one is my favorite, only thing that works for my lips. I've tried other brands and my lips get chapped in a few minutes even after I apply chapstick. So my favorite. This is the lipstick that I'm currently wearing. It's the Lancome 368. This is cool because you just press on this like that and then it pops out. It's a red color, perfect for the holidays. I think Susie from Miss A, she was the model. She still is the model for Lancome, and this was like the Susie lipstick. It's like a small mirror there too, so it's good whenever you're out in public and you need to like check on your lips. Oh, I do have this little pouch from Ana Luisa. most of my accessories, jewelries are from Ana Luisa, and I don't know, whenever I'm out somewhere, I tend to like take off all my jewelries, especially my earrings. So whenever I like take off my earrings and just throw it in my purse, I end up losing one of the pieces. So now I always carry a jewelry bag, empty jewelry bag in my purse. So whenever I do decide to take off a certain jewelry piece, I just store it in here. This is cool because it's like magnetic. And these pouches come with the jewelry pieces whenever you purchase it on Ana Luisa. I have my keys. And my friend, Hyoju 언니, she made this for me. She embroidered it. I think that was a smiley face or something, but it fell off. But still, it's so cute, very thick, very good quality. She does make these and sell it on her Etsy shop. So I will place her shop down in the video info box. She also makes like other stuff like handmade soap and yeah. And then the last thing I have in here is my hand lotion. I love this hand lotion. This is from Jo Malone, and this is the Peony and Blush. It was a set of 3, so I kept one and then I gave the other 2 to my friends. Oh, shit. So hydrating. I love Jo Malone candles as well. Ooh, it smells so good. It's like the perfect holiday, warm Christmas scent. That was all the things that I currently have in my bag. So for those that want a short review of this bag, here's the old medium, and it has a clasp here. So you just press on this metal piece and then opens up. It has this big front flap there. And you could wear it in different ways. Like you could do this, wear it on your shoulder as a shoulder bag. A lot of people don't like to carry it with the 2 straps, but I like to carry it like this. It's cute. You can just use 1 strap as well and use it as a shoulder side bag. Of course, you can use it as a crossbody bag. I like to wear it to the front or to the back. This bag is very structured and it kind of sticks out, so I don't like to wear it to the side like this because I tend to like bump into stuff, especially like the walls, so I keep it front or behind me. And this chain, it looks really thick, but it's actually light. I was surprised at how light this purse is. So when I first decided to buy the Boy Chanel bag, I was still debating between the quilted design or the chevron, which is like the angled design, but I ended up going for the quilted. And then I was also debating between the soft smooth leather or the Caviar. I ended up getting the Caviar, of course, because I feel like it's prone to less scratches. Even my other, like my Chanel Walk is also Caviar, and then my medium classic flap is also Caviar as well. Yes, I've been loving my new Boy Chanel. It's very kind of different from my medium classic because my medium classic is in gold hardware. So that bag, I just feel like it looks really good on me whenever I'm like dressed up or like in heels or leather boots. It doesn't look that great on me whenever I'm like dressed down or casual. But then this bag, it's super casual. It looks great whenever I'm just like even wearing sweats or jeans. So that's what I love about this bag. That was all for what's in my Boy Chanel bag. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm thinking about maybe doing a winter makeup tutorial. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in so long. Brandon, say bye. Bye. Bye.